All right. I have no experience pulling bearings out of these Harley rims, but I've watched a video and now I'm an expert. And I watched several of them. One of them was Doc Harley. And I ordered, well, here's the deal. My motorcycle, the chrome on that front rim is just disintegrating and peeling off. This is an old bike. It's a 2011. So it's got 13 years of, sun and weather and all that to work on the chrome. And I think that year, that particular rim, they had trouble with, because I see rims like that for sale on eBay and they have the same problem, chrome peeling off. So I bought a rim that in the pictures looked like chrome, but it's not. It's just polished aluminum. And the other side is really stained and ugly. So I was disappointed. So I got my buffer out and this looked like the other side. I was able to shine it up. That took forever to get it that far. So I've decided I'm gonna have it powder coated. This has ABS. I don't know if this not ABS, because those are, well, maybe they are. I'll know when I pull the bearing out. So I got to put ABS bearings back in, but I'm gonna have this powder coated. Powder coated, I think black. My bike has a lot of purple on it. I was thinking of getting them powder coated purple, but I'm not. Here, the fender's black. I think I'm just gonna get it powder coated black and be done with it. And I'll show you where the chrome is peeling off all over it, but that's where it's really the worst. And on both sides, the other side's worse. So I decided I didn't give a lot for this rim, and powder coating is only gonna cost me 65 bucks. So I pulled the rotors off, and I wanted to tell you there's a left side and a right side to both the rim and the rotors. The right side of the rim is the rim with a DOT writing on it. The other side has nothing on it. That would be the left side. And these rotors are directional. Let's see, this one says right, and the arrow signifies that it spins in that direction. And this one, where's the left? Same thing here. This one signifies it's left, and it would spin in that direction. So it's important that you put rotors where they're supposed to go. And I'll tell you what, that rotor is warped. That one's not. It's not my table. My table is square. But I'm not putting these back on. The other rotors are chrome. So when I get this back, putting new bearings in it, ABS bearings. I'm dropping that tire, pulling the rotors off, putting those rotors on this, and then I got to take the rim up to our little local guy here and have him put that tire on this rim. We'll be good to go. So that's the beginning of this video. Here's the kit I ordered. I'll put a link. It's an Amazon kit. I'll put a link. You need a special kit to pull these bearings out. And I'm gonna get you a tripod. I've never done this before, so I gotta do a little bit of trial and error and get my wrenches together. So we'll be back as soon as I figure out how to do this. So here's what the kit looks like. You get 3 sizes of these, and you have to pick the size that fits down in your hole here, which is the biggest one. And then you get a nut and a washer. Actually, these 2 washers that go over this, and then this. No, this is big. Here we go. I'm sorry. Again, this. I'm gonna put this back because this goes here with a washer, and this threads down on this. This goes down first. So you know what? I'm gonna try to put you up here and let you watch from overhead. And I have a bad height. I get my big hands in the way. And let me tell you this, I'm no expert. And the only reason I work on my own stuff is because I'm too poor to have somebody else do it. So let's, yeah, I don't claim to be a mechanic. I'm just a guy that's too poor to pay somebody else to do it. I would if I could. All right, let me get you in that tripod there. All right, that's the best I can do. So then you take this with that in it. Oh, first thing you got to do is put a little oil on the threads. I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to face away here. Washer goes down here, but this goes in here, and this little lip is supposed to catch just inside that. Yeah, I can feel it already. This goes over. Well, crap. Hold on. I think I need 2 hands. Plus, I only got a couple of good working fingers on this hand, so bear with me. All right. Damn it, I did it again. All right, you pull it up to where you just feel it catch, and you hold it there, a couple of washers on it. I think that's how that works. I gotta see what size this is. 5/8. I think we're doing it right. There's another one under here. I don't know what size that is. Might be metric. I believe it's metric. All right, I got 11/16 here. I think that'll hold it. Lordy. All right, I feel it grab. I think that's it. So now, yeah, they're metric. I have metric, but I still feel like using them. So now you put, this is supposed to be 1 inch, and I have 1 inch, and it's not. So it's metric. I have a 1 1/8, which is too big. So I got a genuine crescent wrench. Let's see how this works. Now I'm old, so give me a break. And I'm working with hands that are very arthritic. There, I heard it. It's coming up. I'm not making excuses. I'm just telling you why I'm no expert at this. And I just spent last year, in and out of the freaking hospital. Surgery after surgery after surgery. And I finally feel like I'm gonna live. Yeah, it's definitely pulling the bearing up. That's good. So, if a guy who has no experience doing this can do it, so can you. I'm sure you're better than me. So, now, I gotta undo that. And in a second, we'll both find out together whether that was an ABS bearing or not. And it was not. There we go. So it's not an ABS bearing. An ABS bearing would be orange and have a groove here, and the groove and the orange would go to the inside. All right, now that I got a little better idea of how this works. Oh yeah, the sleeve comes out. You know what? This may be ABS. Well, no, this may be the ABS bearing. So here we go. Lord, Brad. My God. How many times are you going to do dumb stuff? Is there a limit? Am I still under the camera? I think so. I'm recording, hun. I'm recording, hun. So, no bad language.
Why do you say that?
Because I'm kidding. All right.
That's such a horrible mouth.
Well, you are a retired truck driver. I'm not sure if this is going to catch, really. I don't think it is. So I think I need to undo that, put it down a little deeper. Thanks for bringing that. I got to work on a lawnmower after this. There we go. I'm trying to get them teeth right there in the groove of the bearing. And it takes a little bit of, I think I got it. Takes a little finesse. think I got it that time. Yep, I heard it pop. That's good. All right, that's working. Yep, that is the ABS side. So these are ABS brakes. Let me take this apart. Now I can take this over to the powder coater, which I will do in the morning. There we go. This is the ABS. This groove goes down. The orange goes in. The metal, see how this side is rubber? That's how you know the difference. This is magnetic. It's got something in it that sends a signal to the ABS, which tells the ABS it's working. All right, so there's the kit. And a guy with one good hand can do it. So I say, a guy like me can do it. Somebody like you could do it. I am not the sharpest knife in the drawer, and I'm not handsome. Okay, I'm handsome, but that's handy. And when you put them back in, you need this longer rod, sort of and you would use these. These would fit in there, and you put the rod through here, and you put this on the other side, turn the nut, and it pulls them in. So, but when I get the brand new bearings and I get this back from the powder coater, I will show you how it goes together. So, I hope I just didn't waste. I hope I had the camera aimed, because that's way up there. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Oh, I will put this. I'll leave a link to that, an Amazon link. It's like $45-$46, something like that. And I called Harley, and they wanted, over $200 to take the bearings out and put new bearings in. I called a local, a local shop that works on Harleys, and he wanted like $160 to take the bearings out and put the bearings in. So, $50 shipped to my house. I could do it myself. And if I need to do it on my back, I can. And if I need to do it on my wife's bike, I can. So, and my friend who lives right behind me here's got a Harley. And if he ever needs bearings pulled, I can do it for him. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.